Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You know, people love their name very much. There was one study that was done where they hooked up the person's brain and they would show them letters from the alphabet. And whenever the letter of their first name showed up, immediately their brain would light up. Because people love their name, people dislike if you misspell their name, people don't like if you get their name wrong. So, one of the rules of dawah, one of the techniques, always ask people their name. But then, if you're going to ask for the name, remember it. Don't forget it, and every 2 seconds ask them for their name once again. Now, so first, number 1, ask for the name. 2, remember the name. 3, use the name. Otherwise, rule number 1 and 2 are useless. So you have to use the name. So every once in a while, so Jason, what we're trying to explain to you is this. So Jason, this is what we're calling you to. So what happens then? What happens is now the da'wah becomes more personal. It doesn't seem like it's a rehearsed script that you just pour out to every individual that you meet. You're making the da'wah personal. Was this technique used by the Prophet ﷺ? Absolutely it was. When the Nabi ﷺ came to Uthman radiallahu anhu, he tells him, verily I am the Prophet of Allah sent to you, ilayka wa ila nasi jami'an. Sent to you and then for the rest of creation or for the rest of humanity. So what does that mean? It makes the da'wah very personal. Imagine the Prophet of Allah ﷺ comes to you and he says, I was sent to you and then to everybody else. So it makes the da'wah personal. So ask for the person's name, remember the name, and use the name. And if you like that da'wah tip, a lot more coming up. Shahada, the fiqh of da'wah.